Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flood warning for southern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 4 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pensacola, Ferry Pass, Brent, West Pensacola, Ensley, Warrington, Fairhope, Gulf Shores, Foley, Theodore, Orange Beach, Goulding, Graham Bay, Robertsdale, Bayou La Battery, Point Clear, Dauphin Island, Lillian, Myrtle Grove, and Magnolia Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 2:39